In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister vent solenoid on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on your vapor canister in the rear of your vehicle. You are going to take this off, this bracket over here, as is obviously cracked and broken, but it should slide off of the metal bracket. Now we're going to disconnect this wire. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to pull down the red tab to unlock the connector. Now you're going to push in on the tab on the back side and pull it off. Our vehicle is pretty rusty and unhappy, so yours will be much easier than ours. If you need to, use some needle nose pliers and disconnect it. Now we're going to remove the vent solenoid. You might have to pull back on your bracket a little bit. It should fit. And remove it. Now we're going to disconnect this. You're going to push in here, and it should release it from the canister. If you see on the underside that your things aren't moving, you can help it out and get it moving, and then try it again. These little ears here are what's connecting it to the canister. And remove it. So this new one comes with a bracket. We're going to leave our bracket in there and remove this. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. So just pry this little thing up, and then you're going to pull out the bracket. Also, there's an adapter jumper wire that comes with this that you can use if you have the old style. And you're going to connect it to a connector that's in there. Otherwise, you should be good to go. So let's install it. I'm going to slide the bracket into this. We're going to pull back on our bracket, slide this in gently. Make sure that you're lined up. Make sure this is lined up and ready to go in here. You can put some motor oil inside to help ease installation, and push it on. After you connect this, you're going to plug this in. You're going to hear a click, and you should be good to go to slide it onto that bracket. Once you line it up, you can push it on. Once you slide it onto the bracket, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.